Hello and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we are making this sizzling all-in-one canned tuna stir fry, which takes just 20 minutes to make. It's perfect for a meal when you are craving something healthy and tasty, but only have a few simple ingredients in your kitchen. Here are the ingredients you will need. 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 cloves of garlic minced or sliced fine, 1-inch piece of ginger minced or sliced fine, 1 large onion sliced fine, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes cut into wedges, 4 banana peppers cut into thick wedges. Substitute this with green chillies, or for a milder flavor use bell peppers. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, reduce or increase as per your need, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Use any type of curry powder that you have. I'm using Jaffna curry powder for a more intense flavor for the tuna stir fry. Salt to season, 2 cans of canned tuna drained. Now let's make the stir fry. Place a medium pan over low-medium heat, pour in the oil, add the garlic, minced or sliced, followed by ginger, minced or sliced as well, and stir until they release their aroma for a few seconds. Then add the onions and tomatoes together. Cook over low-medium heat until the onions turn soft. Now add the banana peppers. As mentioned on the ingredients list, you can substitute this with green chilies or bell pepper. Continue to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add turmeric, red chili powder, mix well. Black pepper powder and curry powder. As mentioned on the ingredients list, I'm using Jaffna curry powder. Mix well, taste and season with salt. Combine well. Now, gently add the canned tuna to the spice mix. As you combine, avoid breaking the tuna chunks too much. You want the tuna pieces to be broken down to smaller pieces but not smashed. Gently combine well, move from stove and serve warm. And this is your easy 20-minute canned tuna stir fry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe you can try.